Hey YouTube, it's Kyle the Foreign Modder, and as promised, I'm making a video here showing you how to get a custom Super Slicer or Prusa Slicer build plate, as you see here. Mine here, the Foreign Modder, quite simple to do, not too complicated. The first thing you're going to need to do is navigate to your Super Slicer installation, wherever that may be for you. You're going to open it, go to Resources. You're going to go to Profiles, and there's a lot of profiles here, from Anycubic to ZoneStar, even RatRig, Lulzbots, and obviously Voron that we need. So I'm going to open Voron. I have paint.net open here that we used in the last tutorial like this, which was how to change your fluid or mainsail logos or icons to whatever you want. So I'm going to clear the build plate. I like this stock color that came with my Super Slicer, so I'm gonna copy and paste this here with a little bit of screenshot action and color dropper. So if you're curious what this color is, the RGB is 46, 46, 46, and the hex is 2E, 2E, 2E. Pretty simple. So I'm going to paste that in there, and I want to grab my logo. So we're doing this for Steph, old guy melts plastic. I helped him create his logo, and you know, I promised that I would get him a build plate for him, and I don't think I ever did. So when this is done, Steph will definitely have this. If you guys want a copy of Steph's build plate, be sure to hit him up on YouTube. I know he is quite active in responding to his subscribers, that, you know, if you have questions or want something, he generally does as much as he can to accommodate it. Now, we're going to save this as a PNG. It's very important. It needs to be a PNG. So I'm just going to save this as OGMP. Go ahead and flatten the image so it doesn't have layers or depth. And within Super Slicer, if you navigate to Printer Settings, General, and Bed Shape under Size and Coordinates, we're going to click Set. I'm going to go ahead and load in Steph's OGMP, and boom, bam, baby, there it is. There you have it. If you guys have any questions on this, or have any issues or get stuck, please let me know. I'm more than willing to help as many of you as I can. And if there's something I didn't quite cover or wasn't clear enough with it, again, please let me know in the comments, and I can always re-record this as an updated thing. So for me, I do this a lot, so it really makes no difference for me. But for you, the viewers, if you need me to go a little more in depth, please let me know so we can, definitely accommodate. But there you have it. Old guy melts plastics. Bed logo is there, ready for him to drag and drop things to print. So have fun with your own, and if you can, show us what you guys came up with on your own in the comments if you can. I always like seeing that. If you're able to upload photos, go ahead and do that, or links to them. I'd love to see your build plates and what you come up with. Until our next video, I'm Kyle the Foreign Modder. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. It definitely helps keep me encouraged to come up with content. This is not my day job, so it's hard finding time for things. But as we go along and encounter things, I like to record and do little tutorials along the way. Until next time, we'll talk to you later.